The function f is defined by the given equation. For what value of x does f of x reach its minimum? Okay, so the quickest way to do this question is use Desmos, but for those who want to gain a deeper understanding of how to approach these questions, stick around after the Desmos answer, and then I'll show you how to do this manually. So again, for the astute, this concept is, do you remember that this is a quadratic function? It's a quadratic function in factored form, also known as intercept form. So if you graph a quadratic function, you have a U-shaped graph, and it has a vertex. So the vertex is the lowest point. It's got an x and a y value. This question wants us to give it the x value of that vertex. So on to Desmos, and let's do that in Desmos. Okay, I've typed the equation in Desmos, and you might have to zoom out a good bit to see the minimum point, and I've done that. Here's the minimum. You see it is negative 2.5. Again, we were looking for the x value of the vertex, negative 2.5. So from the answer traces, you can see that that's D. Now, for those who want to gain a deeper understanding of these questions, I'm going to illustrate or explain a few more things here. Y-axis, x-axis. If you were going to graph this equation, you would see that your x-intercepts are going to be at negative 19 and positive 14. Where do those come from? Basically, solve for x in each of these. So negative 19, let's say it's over here. So this is the point negative 19, comma 0, and the other x-intercept is 14, comma 0, right over here. We know we have an upside down, a parabola opening upward like that. So we're looking for the vertex over here. Now, the one thing I really wanted you guys to remember is that the vertex is always smack in between the two x-intercepts. So if you knew the distance between the two x-intercepts, which is 19 plus 14, that's how many places is that? So that's 33 places between the two x-intercepts. So 33 places divided by 2, because again, the vertex is smack in between those two x-intercepts. So the distance between these is 16.5. So we know to go from here to where the vertex is 16.5 places. So if you're at 14 and you subtract 16.5, you end up getting the negative 2.5. So that's the actual math and logic behind this question.